Hello everybody, my name is Latasha. I'm here to help you guys to give you some tips and tricks on how to save $1,000 per month and become financially independent. Watch till the end of this video and learn all the tips and tricks to save $1,000 per month. If you like my video, please press the subscribe button below. Most people are saving for something, and nearly everybody would like to look at their bank account and see a higher cash balance. Yet, very few people have cash reserves to fall back on. Saving money is a challenging and very important task. But how can you do it when it feels like all your money is taken by living expenses? There will always be expenses waiting for your hard earned income and trying to eat into your savings. Then what can we do to save $1,000 per month? Key to saving is to develop habits and strategies that prioritize saving and help you become financially fit for life. Well, I won't waste any more time. Let's get moving. I will tell you some habits that you should follow to save $1,000 per month and gain your financial freedom. First tip is to how to save on your grocery bill. By $200 per month? Well, friends, I'm not telling you to live without eating, but you can cut out on grocery bill by planning out your meals. Meal planning does more than save time at the supermarket, it will also save your money at the supermarket. Plan your menu for the month and break it down by week for your grocery list. And guys, very important, stick to the list. In the supermarket, you might be tempted to buy luxury foods such as expensive chocolates, but don't buy them. You have to stick to the list and don't waste money on unnecessary luxuries if you want to save money. Try to buy inexpensive items. Try to eat fruits, vegetables, rice, oats, bread. Don't buy expensive items such as packaged foods, meat, canned drinks. If you want to save money, don't eat meat. Try to become vegetarian. You have to make some sacrifices if you want to save money. When you do grocery shopping, make sure you are comparing price per unit or price per 100 grams. In Australia, the supermarkets are required to list this on the shelf, usually in tiny writing at the bottom of the shelf. And guys, buy things that you will use, and where possible, buy non-perishable alternatives. If you need to keep fruits for a long duration, buy canned fruit tins. This way you will not waste money on fresh fruits that will end up in the bin. I'm not telling you not to eat fresh fruits. You have to eat fresh fruits, but don't stock fresh fruits for a long duration. Another trick to reduce the grocery bill is to stockpile when the item is priced at its lowest. You can stockpile non-perishable items such as rice, flour, oats, lentils, tea. When supermarkets reduce some items by 50%, you should try to stockpile. By following these tips, when you do grocery shopping, you can reduce your expenses by $200 per month. Second tip on how you can reduce your expenses is to reduce your rent month. You can move in with your parents or share with friends. But moving in with your parents doesn't mean you can keep the rent money for yourself. You have to pay them a substantial amount, around $200 to $250 per week. This way you can save around $150 per week. When you move in with your parents, you have to share the living expenses such as grocery bills, utility bills. Another option is to share with friends. This way too you will be able to save rent money. You will be able to save around $600 per month. Now I am going to tell you how to save on utility bills. Well, you have to pay your utility bills on time. Don't delay paying your utility bills. Sometimes you get pay on time discount. Sometimes if you delay paying them, you might be wasting money on late payment fees. So pay on time. You can save on heating and lighting by using energy efficient LED bulbs. They use 75% less energy than normal bulbs. Try to use a desk lamp when you are reading. Always use energy efficient electric goods. Compare the energy rating label found on appliances such as television, computer, dishwasher, washing machine, refrigerator, clothes dryer, and go for the product with the highest number of stars. Always turn off computers and TV at the wall when they are not being used. Leaving appliances on standby wastes energy and will add up to your electricity bill. Shut doors to save the heat. Do not use clothes dryer to dry clothes. Your clothes dryer may be energy efficient, but they still consume a lot of electricity with each use. Therefore, put your clothes out in the sun to dry. To reduce your electricity bill, pool your laundry together as a family and do it all at once. All this will save on your electricity bill by about $100 per month. Also, when choosing your energy provider, compare electricity and gas payment plans on the website. In Australia, of course, you can compare plans in several websites such as iselect.com, goswitch.com, econex.com. You can select a plan that suits your needs and budget. This way, you will be able to save about $600 per year. That is $50 per month. Next thing you must do to save $1,000 per month is to change your mobile provider. There are so many mobile companies out there, but if you don't compare the prices and benefits of each provider and choose one carefully that suits your needs, you will be wasting money. Even I was wasting around $360 per year until I found a mobile plan for $150, which had more benefits. By switching to this provider, I saved around $210 per year. Another thing to remember, if you want to save $1,000 per month, do not eat from out. I know eating from out is easy and it is usually very tasty, but it's very expensive. Food takes up a large chunk of most of our monthly budget, so breaking fast food and restaurant habits are some of the easiest way to cut out your overall spending. I know this can be difficult, but this is a very useful strategy to save $1,000 per month. Fast food meal cost $8, and if you only eat for lunches, the cost adds up to $40 per week or $160 per month. When you consider eating out more than 5 times per week or eating out with your family, costs quickly multiply. If you are spending a lot of money on eating out, you may be surprised just how easily you can save by cutting back on food cost. If you are busy, try to make a simple dish at home and enjoy it. You will be surprised how your home you will enjoy the home cooked meal. Always remember, saving money doesn't mean having less fun or changing your lifestyle. By trying out a few simple tips and tricks, you can save $1,000 per month without making your life a pain. So follow these tips and try to save $12,000 per year. If you have more tips on saving money, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching my video. We will meet in our next video. Till then, great week.